problema nito is how you maybe obey the protocols. So maghugas, then mask. Ang mask, makakatulong yan. It does not provide actually 100%. Hindi kami nagsasabi nagmask hindi ka titamaan. Pero you'll reduce it by about, ako tingin ko, in my own estimate, layman lang ako sa mga bagay na ito kasi hindi ako doktor. I'm not a medical person. It will give you something like 80% basta worn properly. Mas kasi yung iba, nagmamask tapos nakikita ko yung ilong ninyo sumasabit doon just on the edge of the mask, the upper portion. So it does not really give a relief at all kung ganun ang careless ang tao na gumagamit. I hope that you would be religious in obeying the injunctions na sinasabi ng mga ating medical persons simply because we're trying to save our country. Nakakaawa naman kung mabutit na lang yung tinamaan na merong talagang resources pero yung wala ang nakakaawa. For the sake of humanity, yung kapwa mo tao, bayan mo, kindly obey the protocols, washing of the hands. Sana susundin ninyo ito.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.